In this video, we will share with you several methods on how to add your own sound to TikTok. Here are steps on how to put video sound over TikTok sound using Video Converter Ultimate. Step 1. Download Video Converter Ultimate on the computer. Launch it and select Toolbox to select the video audio recorder option at the bottom of the list. Step 2. Start by clicking the audio recorder option to reach the audio recording screen. Then select the recording audio using system sound or microphone voice. Checkmark the microphone noise cancellation option and microphone enhancement when recording sound from the microphone. Step 3. Choose change microphone source to change the source of the sound. Adjust volume to a proper value. Step 4. After the voice recording is finished, tap the stop icon to get to the preview window. Tap Save to save your sound recording. Step 5. Click Edit Audio, add audio, then select the audio file you recorded. Step 6. Tap OK Convert All to save your video file. TikTok application has an inbuilt voiceover feature that allows you to talk over the sound whether you are shooting a video on TikTok directly via the application or just uploading a video from a device. Step 1. Open the TikTok application on your device and click on the plus sign button at the bottom. Start recording your video from the application by choosing the record icon or upload the video from the device by choosing the upload icon and selecting the videos. Step 2. After recording your videos or choosing them from your device, select Next. Step 3. Choose the voiceover option at the top right section of your screen. Get the audio ready, then click or hold the record icon to begin recording audio over the videos. Select Clear the Keep Regional Sound checkbox at the bottom. Step 4. Hit Save at the top right corner and add extra effects. You may also adjust the volumes of your videos by clicking on the Sounds button and volume. You can also add sound to TikTok online via Quik. Step 1. Locate the video and sound you will use, then drag-drop it into the tool. Also, you can copy the video sound as a link into the tool. Step 2. From there, use tools like adding text, images, effects, etc. to edit the video and your sound. Step 3. After editing, tap the Publish icon to export the video and sound. Wait some time and select the Download tab to save them to your device. You can now share the video with sound to TikTok. Quik app is a great video editor that lets you add sound from your library to the videos. Step 1. Open the Quik application and click Studio Create and Edit at the lower center. From there, choose the videos and tap the Let's Go option at the bottom. Step 2. Click on Music, the blue Music Library button, and My Music. You should grant the application permission to access the music library. Step 3. Choose a track and click the blue plus button next to it to apply it. You will see the app playing the sound over the video preview. Step 4. When satisfied, choose the Save button at the lower right, then the Photo Library option to save it. Step 5. Now open the TikTok application, click the plus sign, then select the Upload option to upload your video.